Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset a chat in Character AI. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for beta.character.ai. Then log in using your account. Works on both mobile and desktop. From your chat history or homepage, click on the character whose chat you want to reset. This will open your existing conversation. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. A small menu will appear. From the menu, click on Save and Start New Chat. This will archive the old conversation and start a brand new one with that character. Character AI has no dedicated reset button, but this method gives you the same result without deleting your old chats entirely. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.